Le monde part en couille. You can wish.
Jesus. Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Now! The blood of Jesus!
I'm very stupid, I'm very foolish.
What's up?
Oh my God. Please.
Because this time around, if you move, I will drag you.
Ma, I'm sorry. It's my first time, ma. It's my first time.
Shut up! So this is what you do. So this is what you call your occupation. So this is what you call your job. You have hands, you have legs, you can see. It is not enough for you to have something doing. What you decided to do is to become a thief.
It's my first time, ma, please.
Your first time, and this will be your last time. Because I will show you the lessons of your life.
Ma, please. I will not do it again.
You will not do it again. You will not do it again. You will not do it again.
Yes, ma.
I don't need the money.
Ma, no, ma, please, ma, please, your money, please. I don't need the money. I don't need the money, please, ma, please, I'm sorry.
How could you? How could you?
Ma, sorry.
Give it to me. Now let me tell you, it is better to be productive. It is better to work than to go there and you keep snatching what does not belong to you.
I won't do it again.
Now, I want to have a covenant with you. A covenant that if you steal next time, you shall run mad. You shall run mad.
Yeah,
whether you steal from me or you steal from another person, you shall run mad.
I won't steal again, ma.
Give it to me. It's yours. Foolish. Now search yourself. Search yourself. Search yourself.
I'm sorry.
Give it to me.
Okay. Wait, give me it back. Give me it back.
Why? I caught him then. I have to return your bag for you.
Oh God, thank you so much,
It's
sir.
okay.
God bless you, sir. Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Wait. You're actually a beautiful girl. Wow, you look so pretty. You look so pretty. Can I have your number? Maybe someday I invite you over for a lunch.
Are you mad? Eh? Is everything okay with you? It's like you are mentally drained, eh? Are you okay? So because you helped me bring back my bag, that's why you have the guts to ask me for my number. Look at this man. Oh.
So you're insulting someone that just helped you out. Someone that helped you recover your bag.
Okay, you are very stupid. How am I sure that you people did not connive to collect my bag from me? What do you mean? Eh? You want to collect my number? Nonsense. Because you helped me save my bag, then you want to collect my number. I don't blame you. Please get out of here. Nonsense. You are coming to collect my number. As on what? Don't have shit. Look at it. My bag! Please, help me, my bag.
I should help you.
Please, sir, please, my
You that just insulted me now, and you are not asking me for another help.
Please, sir, my bag now.
Can you see a small word?
Good, I cannot run after him. Please.
You were insulting me because I told you that I like you. I'm not helping you.
Hey, please.
Get out.
Please. Hey, my bag. My bag.